Start off with 4 soldered or cream wires and spread them out so each wires are separated. From the left, we will name them wires 1, 2, 4. We will use this system for both the round and flat braid. The round braid is basically a 4-step process of replacing the second wire with wire 1 and 4. Step 1. Bring wire 4 over wire 2 and 3 and park it between wire 1 and 2, making it the new wire 2. Step 2. Bring wire 1 over the new wire 2 to become yet another new wire 2. Step 3. Bring the current wire 4 under wire 2 and 3 and park it between wire 1 and 2, making it the newest wire 2. Step 4. Bring the current wire 1 under the new wire 2 to become the latest wire 2. Repeat the above 4 steps until the desired length. The flat braid is simpler and only has 2 steps. Step 1. Bring wire 1 over wire 2 to become the new wire 2. Step 2. Bring wire 4 over wire 2 and 3 to become the new wire 2. Repeat the above 2 steps until the desired length.